Welcome back everyone to Data Science for Everyone. Today we're going to be extending our exploratory data analysis with the housing data set with Python. Let's get started. So the last thing that we kind of had on our list to do here was to look at the categorical to quantitative relationship. So let's go on and get started with that. So before we had done a lot of the quantitative to quantitative, so also looking at those discrete variables as well. And again, we saw that there are definitely some relationships here, but we need to also deal with some other variables in here, okay? So specifically some categorical features. So what are our categorical features that we have in here? So let's go on and say something like C for C in our quant features. And we want everything all the way up till the last one, which is the price. Plus here our data frame 2 dot columns dot to list. And then let's say if C not in our quant features list, or C not in our df2 dot columns dot to list. And then let's do df cat is going to be our df2 for our categorical features. And then let's take a look at our df cat dot head. So we have here our subclass, some zoning, street, lot shape, contour, utilities, land of the slope. Again, we have all kinds of categorical features in here. And so we also need to make sure that we also include those non-numerical features, which is what we have here. So let's see here that are, say, something like df cat and you know what, do we want to just look at, right now we also have the numerical here. And let's actually do df cat not numeric. Okay, so let's just grab all of these and let's drop out. We've already kind of looked at some of these like msold too. So let's go and just grab those that are objects. So df cat dot select d types here, and we want to include just the objects. Okay. And so when we're looking at these features, okay, these are the ones that are their categorical nature, and so we have to do some different things when we're wanting to visualize them, okay? So let's do something a little nice. First off, let's see how many we have. Okay, so let's make up our nice little print function here, and let's say something like there are length of df cat non-numeric dot columns non-numerical features, and then let's do something like print what df cat non-numeric dot to list. Dot columns. All right, so there are 39 non-numerical features, and then here's a nice little list of them. So the next thing we want to do is let's go on and do a box plot to see how some of these are done. You would want to probably do this for a lot of the variables, but I'm going to do them just for just two of them right now, so that we have a little bit of interest in them. So let's maybe do something like I don't know. Let's see. Maybe let's do this MS zoning. Okay, so let's do something like SNS dot box plot X here is wait, what did I say I was going to do? MS zoning. MS. Oh, you know what? Is that actually in our important features list? Yeah, MS zoning. Okay. And then let's also look at that as Y is the sale price. Data is equal to our df cat. All right, I need to add in the sale price. We forgot to add that into our categorical. So let's do, let's add that in really quickly. So let's do this. And let's do something like df cat dot, what do we want to do? All right, so let's go on and actually do this. We want to just put it on there. So let's do df cat is equal to pd dot concat, and we want in here df cat with our df2 of our sale price, and we want this to be axis 1. There we go. So now we can see here the nice box plot that we have in turn. So we've handled all kinds of nice little visualizations here. Again, there's definitely some outliers in whatever this RL zoning is. Let's maybe also look at maybe one more. Before that, let's go on and look at maybe the sale condition. So let's do something like SNS dot box plot. X here will be the sale condition. Y here will be the sale price. Data is equal to df cat. And again, we see here that there's definitely some interesting stuff going on. Most of them are normal. And again, this normal for some reason has quite a few outliers as well. And I'm not sure exactly, for example, what the difference between normal and abnormal are. So that's something that you would want to kind of go in and look for yourself. And we're going to end this here. If you guys like this, please comment, subscribe, and hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.